How to handle triggers about the new supply. The new supply will trigger the shit out of you constantly. It will be a battle that you don't know if you're equipped to win. But in today's session, I will help you. I will equip you with the right mental tools that you must have in order for you to win this battle once and for all. I'm Coach Goldman, your relationship and breakup coach, and I received a message from a client. Her name is Marianne, and she told me that she's being super triggered by the new supply and she doesn't know if she needs to allow the emotions or suppress them, avoid the triggers or not. So today's session, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do. First things first, you have to allow your emotions. Allow them, let them flood you. Yes, it will be painful. Whoa, it's going to be painful. But every time it's painful and you stay there, you stay strong, as grounded as you can. I know that I wanted to say it's easier said than done, but it's actually not. Because staying stuck is way harder. When you're allowing the emotions and you let them hit you, it will be the most pain that you ever experienced in your life. But on the other side of the pain, this is what you don't know, and I'm going to tell you. On the other side of the pain, there is the new version of you, the stronger, more grounded, self-sufficient, empowered version of you is waiting for you right there. Right there. And you just need to get over this hump. And I know that this hump look like a fucking mountain sometimes that you don't even know how to overcome it. But just understanding what I'm saying to you right now, it will give you the strength. Because I've been there. I've done that, and here I am. And I coach thousands of people to get over this hump. And I say it's a hump because it's a hump, even though it looks like a mountain right now. So just the understanding and the knowingness that you will be okay by allowing your emotions, let them hit you, because you need to let them hit you. It's kind of like overcoming fear. You know, if you have a fear of heights, you need to go to the top of the building. The building, I don't know if the building it's a right metaphor here, but you know what I mean. Go jump from an airplane, do skydiving, something like that if you have fear of heights. Once you are experiencing your fear, it's cured. So it goes the same way. Once you experience all the pain that you try to avoid, because it's painful, you don't want to. But when you let it hit you, that's the cure, that's the healing. That is the healing, the dark night of the soul. 2 a.m., wake up. 1 a.m., wake up. 3, 4, 5, like you wake up, you don't sleep. Your mind is racing. That's the healing. That's the healing. And this is something that no one will tell you. That's the healing. So allow your emotions about the new supply. Allow the feeling that floods you. Allow them. Of course, I don't want to reinforce you going down the road of just romanticizing and ruminating, because rumination is a form of self-punishment. So feel the feeling, try to control your mind, and don't numb yourself. Don't numb yourself. Numbing yourself, people numbing themselves with drugs, alcohol, pornography, all kind of vices. And what is a vice? A vice is something that is just exiting, teleporting you out of the present moment, and you don't deal with what you feel right now. So you take something or you do something, even overeating or over watching TV or whatever. If you exit the present moment, you will not heal, or it will just take you so much time. What you need to do is be present with the pain, let it hit you, hug yourself, kiss yourself, be with yourself, comfort yourself, learn how to self-soothe yourself. And these are things that no one will actually tell you, but this is what you need. And if you haven't watched my documentary, when I was going through my breakup, I needed to learn how to self-soothe. And it came from dark, super, super dark nights of the soul. I had to sit with myself. And in my previous breakup, not the one that she cheated and I documented, and by the way, the link in the description below to watch my documentary, she cheated. She actually monkey branched. So she had a new guy, and I needed to. This destroyed my mind. But I decided that I'm not going to do. I used to smoke, drink, and do all this. I didn't do any of this, and that's what healed me. Under around 30 days, and you can watch and you will see my entire journey from day 1 to day 55 until she crawled back. But this doesn't matter. This is not the issue here. The issue here is that you need to embrace your emotions. You need to sit with that. You sit with them and make sure that you separate your value from their actions. Understand that whatever they've done got nothing to do with you. And I always say it, monkey branching, narcissist relationships, toxic relationships, all that. It's like being in a car accident where you're in the passenger seat. You didn't cause it, but you were affected by it so much. So please remove yourself and separate your value from their actions. Understand that the fact that they have a new person, it doesn't mean that this new person is better than you. It means that the new person is new. And this new person has something that you will never have. And this thing is novelty. It's new. And your ex just thinks, oh, it's the new shiny object. The grass is greener. And they don't know that the grass is greener over there because they didn't fuck it up yet with their stupidity. They will eventually. So realize that this means nothing. The new supply is just a person. Don't hate on them because they done nothing. They done nothing. That was your ex. And don't think that your new supply is better than you. It's new. It's a new person. And I know you will be triggered. You will be triggered. And I want you to think about this, that your ex, they choose someone that is easier. You are hard to love probably because you demand respect, you demand boundaries, you demand love. It's a relationship, and your ex did not have sufficient enough skills to handle that. This is why the monkey branch. And I made multiple videos about it. You can watch on my channel. Here, I just want to give you a brief explanation on how to deal with triggers about your ex, triggers about the new supply. And this is how you do it. You realize all of what I just said. Once you actually have the ability to separate your value from their action, and you realize that, oh, they did it because they lack emotional, intellectual skills to handle a relationship. It's a chronic disease. They probably have DID, which is dissociative identity disorder, or NPD, multiple personality disorder, because what they went through when they were little kids, or whatever, or narcissistic tendencies that just, this is who they are. And you realize you dodged the bullet. So then instead of you thinking about the new supply and you say, oh, the new supply got the best of my ex. The new supply got the worst because they get the leftovers of whatever you guys had. The new supply don't get a better version of your ex, even if it looks like it. It looks like it because you don't really see it for what it is. So you think, and you catastrophize as well. The new supply gets the shittiest version because it's a person who cheated, monkey branch, were dishonest, disloyal. Is this a gift? Is this a gift? Is this a person who will say, oh my God, they got the best? No, they got the fucking worst, and you know what? Let them have it. My motto in life is, if someone can take you, they can keep you. That's it. But I can understand that you're going through a lot of mental and emotional hardships. This is why I'm here, to help you realize what you're going through. I cannot take away your pain. Pain is already there. The cut is already there. All I can tell you is that this is the best cut you ever had in your life. This cut will help you get stronger. This cut will remind you how strong you are. Because you got this. I'm here to help you. This cut will not leave a scar. When you are handling it correctly, you can use it. And don't let it use you. Don't let it abuse you. Don't let it scar you in a way that you're going to bleed on your next relationship. Heal correctly. build yourself up again. I'm here to help you. If you need to talk to me, just click the link in the description below, book a call with me, and I got you 100% to make it, to help you become the best version of yourself. Because right now, you're not the best version of yourself, and this is why you're still healing. If you need help just online, you can get the Rise of the Phoenix, my online healing coaching program. It will help you digest everything, put it in the right perspective, and it's just transform you forever, because the quality of your life will be determined on the quality of your healing in this breakup. Also the quality of your next relationship. Do you want to keep on perpetuating the same behaviors, the same hurts, the same dating the same person, just different body? This is why people just keep on attracting the same kind of fuckery, same kind of people, because they don't change. Don't look for outside for people to change to accommodate you. You change, you attract different. Set two. That's it. It's really that simple. It's simple, but maybe it's not going to be that easy. But think about the alternative. What is the alternative? To keep date idiots? No. I know. And I'm here to guide you and to help you. Whatever you need, I'm here for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in the next one.